Hello and welcome everybody. So in this particular session, I will be doing some more hands-on for you, and you will be slowly understanding that how you will be using the Vue.js in your development. So as you can see, I have just created a simple counter application, and I will be including some Vue functionality into this so that it will start working. So as you can see in the counter application itself, you might be understanding that when I click on this +1, it will be incrementing this particular value by 1. If I click on -1, it will be decrementing this value by -1. Okay. So let us see like how exactly we will be injecting the Vue.js and how, with the help of Vue.js, how we are going to achieve this functionality. Okay. So for this, and this particular concept that I'm talking about right now, guys, this is called handling the user input. Okay. Because when I want to click on this particular button, this is the user input that I want to handle, and this particular value should be changed as per that. Okay, so let us see how we will be working with this. So very first, right now, as you can see, like in my application, this value, this 0 I am putting as a static value. Okay, but I want to take this particular value from the view. Okay, so I can do one thing inside my data attribute. I can enter one value, and initial value of this particular thing is going to be 0. Let's say for example, if I put 10, so that you can get the change over here. Okay, so what you can do, you can come to this point and you can change this particular thing as value, that you want to display the value over here. Okay, now let us see, let us make a change. Yes, so you are getting the 10 over here, right? So in this particular way, if I will be making a change over here, it is going to be the value. So initial value, I would like to keep it as 0, right? Now guys, with this Vue.js, this is the data property that you are setting. Similarly, if you want to do something, okay, do something in the sense, let's say when I'm saying that when I click on this plus button, I want to call the increment method. When I click on this minus button, I want to call the decrement method. So what you will be doing, you will be creating the methods over here so that you can handle the events. Okay, so as I'm saying that we have methods, so methods is an attribute in this Vue. So here you will be creating this methods. Now here you can give the name of the method. So let's say increment, and you are creating this as a function, and this particular function will do what? This will be making a change into the value. So we can access this particular value with the help of this keyword, right? So this dot value. Now what this dot value will do? This will increment the value by 1. Okay, so as we have this increment method, guys, I do one thing, I just copy paste it and I change the name as decrement as well. Okay, this is decrement, and here I am decrementing it. Now the question is how you will be accessing these methods over template. Okay, so it's very simple. Again, you have some directives, that is we have a directive v on. So on click, I want to call the increment method. So here you will be writing the method names. Okay, so if I have created a method as increment, then I will be calling the method over here as increment. So this v on is a directive which is saying that on click I want to call this. Okay, similarly I can add this v on click I want to call decrement. Now when you save this, and let us come over here, so initial it is 0. Now see, it has started working. So it is actually working. You can see here it is getting down as well. So this is how you can handle the user input, guys. Okay, I hope this section also makes some sense. Please practice and keep learning. Thank you very much.